Welcome to the week 49 demo of Wafro. And I'll start a little bit about product strategy and direction of the company before I jump into the demo, right? One big thing I've realized while building Wafro over the last 4 months is as much of the purchase decision, if I can make it a single person's decision, the my ability to sell increases exponentially. And hence, to lean into this direction, I'm trying to build more single player tools which are free to use, and then there is a paid upgrade on top of it, which kind of a builds a little bit of brand presence for Wafro, and two, it's easier to grow like a Figma would, right? So the first attempt of this was a free HTML email builder, which we made live, first version of it last week. And the idea is simple, right? That you have uh, a simple thing that you edit in markdown, and you can have like a list, some buttons, personalization variables, image, some call out panels, some tables with certain alignment which you might need for an invoice. And the moment you say a preview email, you actually get HTML code that you can copy over into a email sending client and actually send it out. And all of this code is available. You can actually view how it would look on a mobile device versus not. And this free version is available. There is a paid upgrade to this as well, which we've made like quite powerful this week. And the paid version pretty much looks like this, and you can customize colors. So just jumping in here, you can say select a bright pink and call the brand name, say a Dreamer ink. And the moment you update this brand persona and jump back to the email builder, you can see things which are now for your brand. How will these particular things try to look? The next big upgrade, which is a paid upgrade, is you can translate it into the language for a persona that you're trying to write that for, right? So one unique characteristic of German as a language is you use a Z form if you're trying to write in a professional context, or a Du form if you're trying to write in a friendly context. I'll pick the professional context and just translate this for the audience. So as a marketer, you only needed to know your own content, and then you're able to generate all of the uh, sort of email content for your clients in the language of their choice, and you can make these execution of these campaigns much better. And this is fairly powerful by its own, so I'm making this version live. Just to give you a hint of what is coming next week, this image personalization is going to get the biggest upgrade sometime next week. So you can imagine that if you're sending a client this email in Berlin, this could be Brandenburger Tor. If you're sending it in Paris, it could be the Eiffel Tower. So how could you make these things live? That's version 1. Version 2 is making this itself powerful enough to borrow data from your internal customer data platform and send out these emails independent of your existing system. If you have nothing for small clients, this is possibly a big upgrade. So the Wafro's emphasis on free to use tools to make it a part of a normal customer acquisition strategy is something that you can expect will be the big focus in the next couple of months. So just wanted to share that. Cool. See you guys around.